Alright, job of the day. Customer said he's having issues with this back brake locking up on him. He's got a new tire. But I'm gonna do bearings, check brakes on everything. Let's get to it. Alright, this is free spinning, but these brakes are disconnected. There's disconnected right there. Looks like I got pinched and smashed. Clean up all this wiring here. We'll just need to clean up some wiring. Looks like that's one of the main issues. Alright, I'm gonna run and grab a new hub on this. I'm gonna change this backing plate out. This backing plate's got a nasty gash in it, so I'm gonna change that. This hub and drum is still good. Alright, taking these backing plates off is an 11/16. I got both backing plates off, cleaning and wiring up. Wiring's all cleaned. New backing plates are gonna go on this side. I'm gonna get one hub and drum, but I'm gonna tear apart the other side to see if I need any other parts. Alright, I'm gonna get 3 total hub and drums and 4 backing plates. This backing plate all chewed up, and then the magnet on that one's all chewed up. So we're gonna be changing these out. The other hub on the front looks like the brake didn't work. The hub itself is perfectly fine, everything's perfectly smooth. So let's get these off. There's the pad all tore up. Alright, let's go get parts. And thank you, California Custom. They had all the parts I needed. I'm gonna go back to that trailer and get everything installed. Alright, new backing plates on passenger side. I need to wire them in, but they are all installed. I'm gonna go install the driver's side. Brakes on driver's side are installed. They are not wired, but I'm gonna put hubs on, install hubs, and then start wiring everything. Front hub is on. Cotter key is going through. This is on the driver's side. Cotter key is bent over. We have free spinning. Tight. Back off one constellation. Free spinning. Cotter key through. Cotter key is bent. Front is packed. Cotter key is verified. Dust cap going on. Rear is packed. Cotter key is verified. Rear hub is packed. Verified cotter key. Cotter key is on. New dust cap. Same in the front. Hub is packed. Verified cotter key. Cotter key is on. And dust cap. Hubs and brakes are on. Let's wire everything in and then check. I need to adjust this side for sure. Front brake is adjusted. Sounds great. Doing the rear. Brakes are shrunk wrap and butt connected. And shrunk wrap and butt connected. This one was a little looser, so I put that zip tie on there. That one's not moving anywhere. Rear is adjusted. Sounds great. Slightly rubbing on the brakes. Let's do the other side. Front is adjusted. Slightly rubbing on the brakes. And rear brake slightly adjusted. Or slightly rubbing, but they're adjusted. Good. Let's check brakes. Make sure everything's working. They're all wired up. I have not shrunk wrap anything, so I just want to make sure the brakes are going to work. All right, let's check lights. I got left turn going. And left turn is on and working. Right turn is going. Right turn is on and working. All marker lights work. Let's see if we got good brakes. Front is free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Locked up. Free spinning. Locked up. Perfect. Brakes are on. Locking up. Perfect. Rear. Free spinning. Locking up. Locking up. Perfect. All right, all lights and wiring work. Left turn, right turn work. Brakes are working. I need to shrink wrap the other side and zip tie it up. All wiring is shrunk wrap. All brakes work. Wiring shrunk wrap on the rear. I did not need to put a zip tie because it holds out and it's not going to get smashed against the frame. Everything else is good. All lights work. All brakes are adjusted. All brakes work. So I'll work on getting these tires and wheels back on and make sure these shackle links are flipped correctly. All right, I took a little finagling. I had to use a pry bar to make sure the shackle links were pointing in the correct direction. Everything is good now. I'm cleaning my stuff and I need to torque these lug nuts. And torquing lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. This job is done. New bearings, new seals, new grease. All 4 new backing plates, 3 new hub and drums. All his shackle links are good. His wiring is fixed now. Left turn, right turn work. Marker lights work. Everything works on this trailer. This job's done. I'm on to the next.